Imagine the morning rush. The clock is ticking fast. Now imagine that if in just 5 minutes you could prepare a breakfast that not only fills your children's stomach but also nurtures their health, keeps you rooted to your traditions, and secures your family's future. Welcome to Munch and Mull Desi Wellness. Today, we are not going to be talking of some exotic superfood that you are going to be ordering online. Today, we will uncover layers of a forgotten treasure from our own kitchen. We are talking about a grain that has been a part of our ancestors' plates for centuries, but we have left it behind in the recent past. I am particularly talking about millets, and today it is about ragi or finger millet. Our goal today is to understand how these insignificant looking grains can be a powerful solution to various health problems that we are facing today. In Maharashtra, ragi is known as nachni. In South India, it is lovingly called colourful. For most, it is just another grain, but when we peek into the world of its nutrients, we find that it is nothing short of a powerhouse. The most surprising fact here is about calcium. Whenever we talk about calcium, what comes to mind first? Milk, right? We have been taught since childhood that drinking milk is necessary for strong bones. But did you know that 100 grams of ragi contains approximately 350 milligrams of calcium? That is roughly 3 times more than milk. This fact changes the whole game, especially for those who are vegan or are allergic to milk. The greatest source of calcium we believed in until today is easily surpassed by a grain from our own soil. This is the beauty of our traditional wisdom, and it is not limited to just calcium. Ragi is also an excellent source of iron, which can be very helpful in fighting anemia, particularly in Indian women. It also contains essential amino acids that are generally not found in other grains, such as tryptophan, which helps keep our mood good and induces good sleep. Just think, your breakfast can actually help reduce your day's stress. It is beneficial not just for physical health but for mental health as well. There is another thing that is talked about a lot: diabetes and weight control. What is ragi's role here? It has a very low glycemic index. To understand this simply, when we eat something with high sugar or refined flour, the sugar level in our blood rises rapidly and then falls just as fast. That is why we feel hungry again after a short while and crave something sweet. Here, ragi works like a hero. Because the glycemic index of ragi is low, it takes time to digest and release sugar into the body slowly. This means that after eating it, energy does not spike and crash suddenly. Instead, energy sustains for a long time. So, that craving for snacks around 11 or 12 in the morning can be eliminated. Ragi is a source of sustainable energy. After eating this, you feel full for hours and do not feel unnecessary hunger. This is beneficial not just for diabetic patients but for every person who wants to keep their weight under control or stay active throughout the day. In fact, powerful plant compounds present in ragi called polyphenols provide extra help in controlling blood sugar. You could say this is nature's own diabetes management system. While this sounds impressive, the history of ragi is even more inspiring. Ragi was also known as a famine crop because it can grow in extremely harsh conditions. It needs very little water and gives a good yield even on dry land. When there was no rain and other crops were destroyed, ragi used to fill people's stomachs. It was the support system for our ancestors during difficult times. This means ragi not only has the power of nutrition but also hides a story of resilience and survival. In today's era, when we are grappling with problems like climate change and water scarcity, the importance of millets like ragi increases even more. It is healthy for our plate as well as for our planet. Cultivating millets is beneficial for our land too. It improves soil health and reduces dependence on chemical fertilizers. So, when we choose ragi, we are choosing not just our health but also the health of our farmers and the environment. Knowing all this brings us to the question that arises every morning in every urban kitchen. On one side, there is our nutritious ragi, which might take 5 or 10 minutes more to make. On the other side, you have cornflakes in colorful boxes or some other ready-to-eat cereal that you just have to pour into milk. For a mother who is short on time, choosing the second option seems very convenient. But what price are we paying for this convenience? This is the biggest dilemma of today's era. Convenience versus nutrition. Let's test the claims of those attractive boxes. They say fortified with iron and vitamins. It sounds very good. But those processed cereals often have very high amounts of hidden sugar and sodium, which gives children an addiction to sweet and salty flavors at a young age. So, in exchange for convenience, we are making a long-term compromise with our children's tastes and health. The question isn't whether cornflakes are bad. The question is, can they be a substitute for a complete and natural food like ragi? The answer is no. Choosing traditional foods like ragi is not just a food choice. It is a lifestyle choice, a choice of mindset. Do we want to return to our roots and embrace nutrition that has stood the test of time? Or do we want to run after the glitter of the market and instant convenience? When we make this choice, we are not just deciding what to eat for breakfast today. We are also deciding what we are teaching our children about health and tradition. When a mother makes ragi for her child, she is not just making food, she is giving them a piece of her heritage. She is teaching them that what looks ordinary and is connected to our soil and our environment is actually the most powerful. From our deep investigation today, we can see that an ordinary grain of ragi is a source of extraordinary nutrition. It reminds us that for good health, we do not always need expensive or foreign goods. There is so much hidden in our own treasure trove. We just need to recognize it. For those who want to try out ragi and make their mornings healthy, there is good news. We have a detailed video on how to make the nutritious and delicious ragi porridge, including the correct quantity of ingredients and small tips to make it even more wonderful. You can watch the video link given in the description to learn the complete method, which is demonstrated in a very simple way. So, the next time you choose breakfast for your family, do pause for a moment. Remember that you're not just filling their stomachs, you are laying the foundation of their health and passing your heritage to the next generation. In today's fast-paced life, what can we do to keep both our tradition and our family's health vibrant on our plates? Do ponder over this. We hope that you enjoyed this video. What are your thoughts? Is ragi used in your homes? Do share your experiences in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to and follow the Munch and Mull channel. If you found this inspiring and interesting, do share it with your family, friends, and don't forget to press that like button. Thank you, and I will see you soon in another episode of Desi Wellness.
Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.